Welcome to the Nutrigenomix at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. You'll find links to the product in the description below. Nutrigenomix is a specialized at-home DNA test kit designed for those seeking personalized nutrition and lifestyle recommendations based on their genetic profile. It's perfect for individuals aiming to optimize their diet, fitness, and overall health by leveraging cutting-edge genetic science. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, someone managing specific health concerns, or simply interested in living your healthiest life, this kit offers valuable insights tailored to your DNA. Using the kit is straightforward. Once you place your order, you'll receive a collection kit to gather a saliva sample. After mailing the sample to their lab, the results are processed and your genetic report becomes available online or through your healthcare provider, depending on the test you choose. Nutrigenomix focuses on over 70 genetic markers related to nutrition, fitness, and health. These include markers for vitamin and nutrient metabolism, sensitivities to caffeine and lactose, and predispositions for weight management and physical performance. One key feature is the actionable recommendations provided alongside the genetic insights. For example, if your results indicate a low genetic capacity to absorb certain vitamins, the report offers dietary adjustments or supplements to address the gap. Similarly, it provides tailored fitness guidance, such as optimizing your training intensity and recovery strategies based on your genetic predispositions. What sets Nutrigenomix apart is its emphasis on integrating scientific data with practical applications. The reports are detailed yet easy to understand, making them accessible for both healthcare professionals and individuals. Another standout is their professional support network. Many tests are administered through dietitians or fitness professionals, ensuring you get expert guidance alongside your results. This kit is best suited for those who want to align their nutrition and fitness with their genetic blueprint. It's especially useful for athletes, people with dietary sensitivities, or anyone committed to making science-backed lifestyle changes. In summary, Nutrigenomix bridges the gap between genetics and actionable health strategies. If you're ready to unlock the potential of DNA-guided nutrition, check the links in the description to get started.